Has the cadet corps at the United States Air Force been instructed in their textbooks on how to deal with the ET situation?
Yes.
Is there a face on Mars placed within a monument complex as reported by Richard Hoagland in his analysis of NASA photographs of Mars?
Yes.
Are there bases on the moon?
Yes.
Are there abandoned cities built by ET peoples on the moon?
Not cities.
Are there ET mining operations on the moon?
There were.
Were Armstrong, Aldrin, Collins, and other astronauts warned away from the moon by ET forces?
Yes.
Did astronauts see flying saucers and bases on the moon?
Yes.
Steve.
Did saucers land at Holloman Air Force Base, witnessed by Gordon Cooper, the astronaut?
Yes.
Frank.
Is it true that you have been cleared at the highest level security clearance and that you report to only one person and that person reports to no one?
Correct.
And is that person a extraterrestrial?
No.
Did President Clinton have anything to do with the publishing of this book?
Yes.
Is Colta the only ET visitor you have befriended in this lifetime?
No.